Lesson 6, How to Place a Trade in Forex. In Forex, you exchange one currency for another in the hope that the currency you bought will gain value against the currency you sold. In every single Forex transaction, there are always two currencies involved. This is because you simultaneously buy one currency and sell another one. The first listed currency is called the base currency. The second listed currency is called the quote currency. The exchange rate tells you how much you had to pay in units of the quote currency to buy units of the base currency. For example, you would have to pay $1.36 to buy €1, or you would get $1.36 if you sold €1. There are two prices when you're trading in Forex goods. The first is the bid price, at which the broker agrees to buy the base currency in exchange for the quote currency. The price at which your broker plans to sell the base currency for the quote currency is known as the ask. The difference between these two prices is called the spread. So if you want to sell €1, you'll sell it at the bid price 1.3598, and if you want to buy €1, you'll buy it at the price 1.3600.